if today is the first time checking my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for coming. And if you're part of the family already, you're a subscriber, you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much for coming to watch this video. My name is Seun Digital. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually withdraw your money. And also, some people complain to me that their weekly income or weekly profit is not added to what they have before. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to see the previous week that is not added to what you have before, how to add it up and withdraw if it's up to $50 that you can withdraw to your Binance, to whatever wallets exchange that you have. So let's dive into the video. This is my dashboard of ICX 101. Okay, ICX 101 is a platform, is an investment platform whereby you are going to invest your money and they will be trading with your money. Every Monday you're going to be entering the pool by clicking on the button, which they will trade with the money for you, and you're making a lot of profit, 5% every week on your capital. All right, I think I've done a video on how to sign up before, but if I haven't, just let me know in the comment section that, oh, please do a detailed video on how to get started. Then I'm gonna do that and explain how you can get started on this website. All right, so this is my, I think it's going to 4 months now I've been on this website. It's one of those websites that you can trust and is reliable. All right, so when you log into your account, you're going to go to this part that says this part that has 3 lines. Click on it. When you click on it, then you are going to go to commission. All right, click on commission. All right, so when you click on commission, click on this one that say FX Multiplier. So click on it. When you click on it, we want to actually add up the 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago that they've been trading, and it has not been adding up to our profit. We want to add it up to what we have there. Now you can see the my breakdown. This is what I put into the app. I'm using $100 to trade. Then the $100 package is what I did. Okay, so if I go down, you can see weekly. This is the weekly. This is what I'm getting every week. $4 every week. Weekly trading reward, that's $4. Then total of what I've gotten so far is $75. Okay, then if you move down here, I'm gonna go here. Now this is the amount of my previous week's profit that that's not been added to my to the one I have there now. So I amount in trading reward wallet. Okay, so right now I'm going to convert this to my wallet and withdraw all of them. Okay, because I have 42 in that place and this one is 15, so I'm going to add everything up and withdraw. So what I'm going to do right now is to put the amount here, which is $15.2. Then I'm gonna click on this button that says convert reward to wallet. Now if you convert reward to your 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒x, that means you want to pile it up for another package. You want to use to buy another package, but that's not what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to convert it to my wallet, to my reward wallet, so that I can withdraw it all. Okay, so I'm going to click on that button that says convert reward to wallet. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. All right, now say amount converted to wallet successfully. So I'm going to click OK, scroll down and see if we still have the money in there. Now we have 0.0, so let's go and check our actual profit so far. So I'm going to click on the 3 line again and click on commission again. This time around I'm going to go to withdrawer to see total amount of money I have there, and I want to withdraw them out. So I'm going to click on withdrawer. Now that I've clicked on withdrawer, you can see now I have 57.80.0.80 0.09999. That's what I have there. So now I can withdraw it by clicking on this send OTP, which I'm gonna do right away. I want to withdraw the money, so I'm gonna click on send OTP, and they're gonna send me an OTP to my email. So I'm gonna go to my email and put the OTP here. Once I put the OTP here, then I'm gonna click on verify. So quickly, let's dive into my email. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button. Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you. And if you like the kind of video I'm doing on this channel, you know what, you have to turn on the notification bell too, so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. And also give this video a like to just appreciate what I'm doing right here on this channel. So right now I'm going to click on it, click on I, then click on it again. Then I'm going to copy the code, which is this, and then click copy, then go back. And when you see the code, it has is dot at the back. I don't think you need to copy that, so let's just do it without the dot and paste it right here. Now click on verify. So we're gonna wait for it. Now say withdraw fund request, available amount 57. So KYC must be approved before you can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 50 per week. Maximum withdrawal is 3,000 per week. Only one withdrawal is allowed per week. Withdrawal will take 3 to 5 working days, and 10% charge applies to all withdrawals. Okay, so 10% will be removed from whatever I'm withdrawing. All right, so right now, so what I need to do is I'm gonna put in the address of my BTC or USDT that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna click on USDT right now. So I'm gonna put the address here, and once I put my address, I think this is my address. So but for me to click of my address, let's go to Binance and copy the right address. Okay, I'm going to go into my Binance right now and copy the right address. Click on deposit. Deposit. Click on deposit. Go down and select this one that says Tron TRC20, the last one. Click on it, then copy this code by clicking on this button right here to copy the code. Once you copy it, then go back to the place, paste the code here. So I'm going to paste the code here. I'm going to remove this one I pasted earlier. It's still the same thing, but I just need to show you how to do it. So I'm going to put it there, then put the amount that I'm sending out. So I'm going to put 57 I want to do everything. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to press it down to copy it. I want to put everything there. So I'm going to paste everything here, then click on send button, and boom. Yes, I'm going to wait for it. Right now, your request has been sent to the admin. All right, available amount is 0, and now you can go down. Previously, I've withdrawn the last time I withdrawn 53.35, which you can see right here, 53.35, and it was BTC I withdrawn. So right now I'm doing USDT. All right, guys, so that's how you're gonna see your profit. If you've been checking your profit and it's not piling up, you think something is wrong, go to that place that I just showed you, to the FX multiplier. Click on it and convert your profit to your reward wallet. Then you can withdraw your money if it's up to $50, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Seun. Till I come away again, bye for now.